ServiceTrack by Shruti Avasthi. I am Shruti Avasthi. My GitHub and edX account are shown here from Mumbai, India. This video is recorded on 28 December 2025. So here is workflow or diagram of my ServiceTrack. So society repair management system, resident will start, they will log in, create repair request, then database, admin will view request, then they will assign personal, and both admin and resident can show what is in progress and completed. So currently this works on localhost. I have not deployed. There are two options in main page, like you can log in as resident or admin. If you are resident and you have not registered, there is option of registering. So you can register. I'm registering here as a resident with name, email, contact number, log, flag, and password. As you can see, I have selected the different password, but here I am using different, so it will say invalid. It is for authentication for both resident as well as admin. I have previous resident login. So in resident dashboard, it will show your name, log, and flat number. Then your previous requested and available personals who are. So here I have requested that I need pest control in my house, and then it is appended. So from now we will go to admin. We will log in as admin. Admin will see all complaints that are present, and he have option to mark in progress and mark completed. Admin can see personal, and then he can assign like mark completed. Manage personals, then they can set busy or available. It is in admin's control. Add personal with their again information, name, email, and specialization. Example, I have added Hemant here as personal, and then it will be added in database. Then now we will assign personal to this, and now I can see Raju is present. So it is like if personal is present, then only you can select, or you can't. And as the resident, I can see that my previous complaint is completed and new personal is assigned to my this. In database, I have stored password with hash, so there is integrity of password. ER diagram of my database. There are mainly 4 entities: resident, repair request, society, and repair personal. They are primary keys and they are connected with foreign keys. So